Hi guys, welcome to highschoolmaths.co.uk. Today we're going to look at Indices Rule 3, which is the power of a power rule. And if you look in the yellow box up at the top, you can see the basic idea is that when you've got a power, something in a bracket to a power, i.e. the power of a power, you multiply the two powers together. So if we look at a few examples of how that's going to work, d cubed, in the first bracket to the power of 5, 3 times 5 is 15, so we get d to the power of 15. In the second example, slightly different because we've got this coefficient, this number term. We just treat that as normal. 2 cubed would be 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. And then we use the indices rule number 3 for the power of a power. So a to the power 4, 4 times 3 is 12, so it'll be a to the power 12. Moving on to example 3, 5 cubed again, 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. And then 2 times 3 is 6, so we end up with b to the power 6. And the final one, we've got a negative power that doesn't really change anything. So we deal with the number term first. 3 squared is 9. And then we've got our r. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. And we'll leave it like that just now. We've not covered the indices rule to deal with negative powers yet, but we will look at that later on. So if you would like to practice any further questions on this, or if you'd like to see some more revision videos, then please visit www.highschoolmaths.co.uk, and thanks for watching.